Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ecom Voyage. Today we are going to see how you can completely self-ship orders on Amazon. By default, Amazon uses easyship to ship the products. For all those who don't know what easyship is the courier service that is provided by Amazon. So what if you want to disable the easyship and completely opt in for self-ship? So in this video, we are going to see how you can do it just by following some simple steps. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to go to your dashboard on Amazon Seller Central. At the top right corner, you will find a search box. Here, you have to type in easyship opt out. Now you have to scroll down a little and here you will find easyship opt-in and opt-out. Click on it. Now here you will see easyship opt-out. Read a little. To opt out of easyship, fill this form. There's a link in this form word, so click on it. Okay, now this form will open up and you have to simply fill the details mentioned here. So to first of all, it is asking for merchant token. For that you have to click here. Now from here copy it and go back to your form and paste it here. Now you have to select the reason for opting out of easyship. So you can select any of the reasons you want to, which you think is right for you, and mention any courier service that you regularly or mostly use, and then click on submit. In 3 to 4 business days, Amazon will automatically opt you out of easyship, as you can read it here. So this is how you can opt out of easyship and enable self-ship orders on Amazon.